Alrighty, y'all, we're out here. Seargant D brought me some new toys here. He brought me a VEPR-12, and look at this bad boy. It has a silencer on there, so it's gonna be quiet as a church mouse. So I'm gonna keep my ears on just because I like keeping my ears on. Nonetheless, though, bad boy takes a 12 gauge, and we're gonna have some hard recoil in here. We'll find out. We'll find out. All right. So this is. Give me a second here to figure out where I'm going with this. Y'all can laugh with me because I haven't fired this one before. And it is on fire. We are ready. And it's quiet, y'all, so y'all get ready for this. It's Get off my lawn, all of you. Okay, scoot back. Scoot back. It's okay. Yeah. Scoot back, guys. Come on, it's all right. Scoot back. Nice. Let me empty it out one more time real quick. Put it on fire instead of safety. Now, that's smooth actually. So it's a VEPR-12, made in Russia, I believe. Has a Bushnell scope on there, not a scope, sight. I don't know all the details of that yet. Nice, Seargant D. Thank you. So this is pretty cool. Oh, and it's not a silencer, it's a fake silencer. So no text tam. All right. On to the next one. Y'all, look what I got. Look what I got here. What do I got here? I got a VEPR, not a Viper, a VEPR-12, 12 gauge. And yeah, that bad boy has a silencer on that. Look at that. It's so silent you can take it. Yeah, still too soon here in Texas for that one. Anyhow, it's got a silencer on here. Let's go for it. You ready? You ready for this? Get off my lawn. Oops. There goes my short. Look at that. I got one in the chamber. One in there. Now there's not. All right, failure to eject. And yo, stay off my yard. All right, we're gonna come back and do this again.